What we like: the M2, the beating heart of BMW as a whole and the M division in particular, is a race car in want of a track, perfectly balanced whether the intent of the lap is minimum time or maximum yaw. The engine is powerful, smooth, and sonorous, the transmission snappy and smart. Yeah, we wanted a manual, but the MDCT is one of the better examples of the dual clutch automatic breed. And with the accelerator floored, simply holding the downshift paddle drops the transmission all the way into the lowest possible gear for quick passing maneuvers. What we don't like: there's a downside to the whole race car shtick, and it's stiffness. Stiffness in the suspension that translates into stiffness in the backs and necks of those prone to whining, including most of us. The M2 itself seems to be whining about the harsh ride, too, as rattles and squeaks are starting to proliferate throughout the cabin. What went wrong? We got to be the front end of a 3-car pileup that wrinkled the rear bumper cover and popped out a parking sensor. We haven't gotten it repaired yet. We figured we'd give Southeast Michigan drivers a couple of free months in case anybody else wants to take a shot at us this winter, but our dealer tells us it'll be about $900 if the cover is the only thing that needs to be repaired. Fingers crossed that the bumper beam still looks unscathed when the cover comes off. An oil change of 23,988 miles was covered under BMW's Ultimate Care Maintenance Program. Where we went, after spending all summer bopping around Michigan, the M2 finally went farther out on the road. It carried a pair of staffers down to BMW's plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, for a photo shoot of its illustrious ancestor, the 2002, for our 750th issue. A month later, it returned to the Carolinas for a little R&R in Nashville. Now that it has settled in at the home office for winter, we've swapped on a set of Michelin pileup PA4 tires for the colder months to make sure that any additional incidents remain other people's fault. Months in fleet: 11 months current mileage, 25,470 miles. Average fuel economy: 23 miles per gallon. Fuel tank size: 13.7 gallons. Fuel range: 310 miles. Service: $0 normal wear, $0 repair, $0